Declarations have been made in GATT that immediate steps would be taken to fix terminal dates to relax tariff and other barriers and expand exports of the developing countries' stock. Even some members of the six in their agreements with us in 1959 had agreed to practical measures for an increase in our exports, for example, of jute goods and cotton textiles to Germany stock. It was expected by us that as a result of a growing realization on their part that we could continue to import more and more from them only if we were able to export more and more, we would be able to work out trading arrangements to provide growing outlets for our products on the continent. Stop para. This has been the general trend and approach. Stop. How far does this general approach fit in with the present proposals? Sign of interrogation. I do not see them fitting in. Stop. The present proposals are vague and the approach so far made is not satisfactory. Stop. Comprehensive trade agreements are a good idea, but in the quest for what has been described as a balance of bargaining positions, the prospects of our being able to negotiate a really worthwhile agreement with the enlarged community seem to us to have been seriously prejudiced. Stop. The developing countries are struggling hard to raise the standard of living of their people and the levels of their production. Stop. It is impossible for us to import machinery and capital goods necessary for our development plans unless we can increase the level of our exports. Stop. We are grateful for the foreign aid, which is largely in the shape of loans and credits. Stop. These have to be paid back with interest. Stop. We can pay them back only through increasing our exports. Stop. There is no other way. Stop. Para. We are in the middle of the third 5 year plan. Stop. The existence of trade links is important. Stop. We are thinking of our fourth and fifth 5 year plans. In our perspective planning. Stop. We are naturally worried by the adverse effects of these proposals on our plans. Stop. The UK's entry into the EEC may well worsen the position not only in relation to our earnings of foreign exchange but in relation to unemployment and might have grave social consequences from the human point of view. Stop. All this does not fit in with an international approach or an approach of GATT as it is generally accepted. Stop. The accession of the United Kingdom to the EEC means some diminution of her sovereignty. Stop. We need not be afraid of that if it leads to a world order. Stop.